What's up everyone, GT here today, and I am bringing you another unboxing. And this time we are doing Croft Steelbook Edition, Shadow of the Tomb Raider. So yeah, we are unboxing Shadow of the Tomb Raider, and if you pre-order it and you do the Steel Croft Edition book, or the Croft Steelbook, you get it early. So this game doesn't release till Friday, so 2 more days and it's, out. But since I pre-ordered the super duper extra duper edition, I get it early. So let's go ahead and see what's inside of this box, the wrapper. So steelbook case, which is pretty dope. And they give you the weak plastic, they give you the easy stuff. Alright, now that we got it off, steelbook case, you got the cover. So let me show you the front cover of the box. Xbox One, Croft Steelbook Edition, 4K Ultra HD. HDR enhanced for the Xbox One X. Shadow of the Tomb Raider, rated M. And of course, there's the back. Become the Tomb Raider, be one, uncover, and discover. And of course, in this edition, you do get the steelbook, the art cards, you get the 2 additional weapons and outfits, original game soundtrack, and of course, the season pass that I'm about to give away. So yeah, I'm gonna give the season pass away because I don't use it. I don't want the season pass. And here, you do need 23 gigabytes of storage in your Xbox One. So let's put this down, check out the steelbook case, or actually, you know what, let's go ahead and open this and see if I can get it open. I don't have any nails to take this little sticker off. And as you notice, PlayStation and Xbox are different. Xbox, you always get the little sticker, just to validate it's authentic, its originality, and no one's tampered with it or messed with it. So yeah, taking that off, opening it up, bam, there you go, Steelbook Edition. Alright, so in Steelbook Edition, you got your flyers, you got your little goodies and stuff. So first off, let's start off. Just Cause 4, December 4, 2018. I highly recommend you pick this game up. I checked it out at E3, and this game was the shit. And I also got to play Kingdom Hearts 3, which is pretty dope too. I'm not a fan of Kingdom Hearts or Disney stuff like that, but I admit, it was pretty dope. I liked it. Next thing you got is some game add-ons. So this is the Season Pass, Outfits, and Weapon Packs. So go ahead, write this down. This is the W94JQ, RJT6, FXT9, GGMJYQX, HX66Z. So you get the Season Pass for free. You're very welcome. First come, first serve. So whoever gets it first, good luck, congratulations. I love you too. Give me a shout out. You know what to do. Next thing we have is the Shadow of the Tomb Raider original game soundtrack. So if you want the soundtrack, go ahead and pick it up. Bejuye 966 Dace Zoo 061. So if you want that, go ahead. You know what? I'll leave the code right there. 1, 2, 3. Next thing, you get a little manual, which is pretty dope. So we're not gonna go into specifics. And of course, you get the little art cards. So let's go ahead and open this up. This is a collector's edition, and like I said, I always get the collector's edition. If I pre-order it in time, GT is gonna get the collector's edition. Whether it's $300, $500, $400, $600, it don't matter. Bang, look at that. She looks nice and beautiful. Look at this one, pretty dope as well. Oh, this is probably one of my favorite ones. And the reason why is her stance and the sun, or like the lunar eclipse. I'm guessing that's what it is, an eclipse. Of course, in the back of the cards, you have nothing, just black. All right, so now let's get back to the game disc. And as you can see here, you do got Tomb Raider, Shadow of the Tomb Raider, Square Enix, Crystal Dynamics, Eidos Montreal, and that's the disc right there. So it's pretty much the Eclipse. So that's pretty nice. Now my favorite part of this is the steelbook case. You got a dagger, you got a little sword. So it's nice. Look at that. Look at that. It's a little rusty and corroded, old. It's kind of ancient. And then here you got Square Enix, Crystal Dynamics, Eidos Montreal. So you got the pyramids, you got a little scaffolding going on up here. It looks like they're inside of a cave or something. And of course you got a little sundial right here. Look, I think it's kind of like a sundial. What do you guys think? So let me know in the comments below if you know what this is. I want to say it's a sundial or a clock because if you see little arrows here, it's kind of pointing like to 6 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, whatever. Or maybe if I turn it this way, it looks like an eyeball, the mustache, the little forehead, and the little chinny chin chin. Now we come back to the end of the video, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing. This is the Lara Croft Tomb Raider, Shadow of the Tomb Raider, Croft Steelbook Edition, super duper. So you got your art cards, you got your game, you got your Steelbook case, you got your soundtrack, you got a little flyer of Kingdom Hearts and Just Cause, and of course the downloadable content, which here, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and give it to y'all again. Here's the Season Pass. Good luck and have fun. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. So if you like this, comment below. Let me know if you're picking this game up. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you're a Tomb Raider fan. I'm definitely an original Tomb Raider fan. I played this back in the days, like Sega Saturn, PlayStation 1. I'm a huge fan. I played this way back in the day. So many I don't know, I'm old as fudge. Yeah, it sounded like I was like losing my voice. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the unboxing. Drop some likes. Hit me up in the comments below, as I said and I mentioned. So once again, thank you guys and gals for watching. I'm GT, signing out. And I'll see you guys and gals later. Adios.